Hello friends, I'm Annie with Kai Dragon Gardening and Cooking Channel, and once in a while I write little stories or poems or something, just kind of for fun because I'm a writer and I like doing a lot of journaling and stuff with the garden. So today I wrote kind of a funny little story poem pun. So it's my garden pun poem. Hey there, bud. How's it growing? You look very radishing, my sweet friend. Well, that's how this story begins. Oh, how this story goes. Let me correct that. I love you from my heart to my head to my toes. Just please give me a chance to be your #1 fan. Every day I'm a brustling to be the best that I can. Winking, he said to her, "Will you marry me?" She replied, "Kale, yes, but we can't elope. Although some cannot, some might not care at all. We were meant to be." He said, "Believe in yourself. You're kind of cute, and I think I'm a big deal too." She smiled. "Oh, for Pete's sake, let's not be melancholy. Let us remain happy." With that, he grinned. "Turn up the music." "What incarnation are you doing?" she replied. He said, "I love you a bunch, so let's eat, drink, and be rosemary. No time to scream and sprout. I'd kick some asparagus if I had to, because you grow on me. Alas, let's branch out, plant roots, and talk dirt. It's good chives only." She hugged him tight. "Oh my gourd, I love you." They were finally married, planted some seeds, and the garden grew with a natural talent. It was very nice. They were quite the pair. A little corny, but he stood out like a dandelion in a bed of roses, soaking up the sun. Their garden life had just begun. Happy together, whatever the weather, so colorful, vining to the sky, just like the fondness of the wonderful garden and I, best friends forever. I hope you liked that little ditty today. I kind of had fun writing it. I was going to add a few more verses to it, but I wanted to keep it short and sweet. Anyway, hit that notification bell so you know when we release more corny stuff for you to watch. And like, share, and subscribe. Tell your friends about us. We are a new channel. We're starting out. We're hoping that we can hit that 1,000 subscribers, one of these days. But, we depend on you for that. Word of mouth is the best advertisement around. And you guys are our friends. You're like an extension of our family. And we love you. Take care. Stay blessed. And keep sowing and growing.